O-Cademy FAQ. Looking for something else? Here are some of the most requested sources for information. 1. How do I take a course on O-Cademy? Access the course you have bought by clicking on the course link you will receive in your confirmation email. 2. How can I pay for a course? O-Cademy supports several different payment methods, depending on your account country and location. 3. How to add a course to your wish list from the course card? To add a course to your wish list from the course card, please follow the below steps. Search or browse for a course, hover your mouse over the course card, click the heart that appears beside Add to Cart, and the course will be added to your wish list. 4. What are O-Cademy's minimum standards for video and audio quality? In order to publish your course, each of your course videos must contain an audio track that plays from both speakers, left and right channels. Additionally, O-Cademy requires you to submit audio that is not distracting the students from the video. Text-to-speech software is not allowed. Students want to hear directly from you as an instructor to build trust. 5. If you're filming a video for your course, there are several different types of cameras that can be used to record published O-Cademy courses. If you're filming a video for your course, there are several different types of cameras that can be used to record published O-Cademy courses. HD flip cameras, GoPro cameras, most DSLR cameras. If you have a camera already, check your system preferences or do a quick internet search to check if your camera can shoot in 720 HD or higher. Simply search for the name of the product and the resolution it shoots. If it can shoot in 720p HD or higher, it will produce a video that meets our video quality standards. 6. Can I teach a course on any topic? You are free to choose the topic you wish to teach on O-Cademy except for restricted topics like 1. Sexuality, 2. Nudity and attire, 3. Dating and relationships, 4. Weapons instruction, 5. Violence and bodily harm, 6. Animal cruelty, 7. Discriminatory language or ideas, 8. Illegal or unethical activities, 9. Misinformation and misleading content, 10. Sensitive or otherwise inappropriate topics or language. 7. Do I have to pay any fees in order to become an instructor? There is no fee to become an instructor on O-Cademy. Instructors are paid according to a revenue share model outlined here. When a student buys your course on our marketplace, revenue is shared between you and O-Cademy, according to our revenue share model. Point 8. How will I get paid as a tutor? 9. What is the general structure of an O-Cademy's course? A standard O-Cademy course is video-based. Courses must have at least 30 minutes of video content for learning modules. Additional teaching tools, like assignments, quizzes, etc., can be added to create a rich learning experience for students. For courses regarding certification preparation, we also offer instructors the ability to create a practice test course. These courses are comprised solely of practice questions. 10. Does O-Cademy retain exclusive rights to my course if I sell it on your platform? No. Our marketplace model means that when you publish a course on our platform, you retain all the rights to your content. You simply grant us a license to host the course and make it available to our users and advertise your course on our platform and on third-party services. These license terms are outlined in detail in O-Cademy's instructor terms. You can also offer your course on other services, but we ask that your course is never offered for a lower price than on O-Cademy. 11. Can I overview a course before purchasing? Yes. You can preview a course, view the description, requirements before purchasing the course to get an overview of the course. 12. Can I see the courses before logging in? Yes. You can check all the available courses as a guest and view a preview of the courses to proceed further. 13. What is the expiry date of my purchased course? There is no expiry date for the purchased courses. We will provide you lifetime access to the courses you purchased. 14. Can I become a tutor without logging in? No, you need to sign up. 15. What is O-Cademy Business? With O-Cademy Business, you can get unlimited access to 4,000 plus of O-Cademy's top courses for your team that is best suited for corporates. 16. Can I change the home page language? Yes. You have an option to change the home page language to 108 plus languages. 17. What is the default language to view a page? The default language is English. 18. Can I share a course without logging in, after seeing the preview? Yes, you can share a course as a guest, as a student. 19. What are the criteria to buy a course as a guest? We provide courses with appropriate rating, pricing, and popularity, which will make it easier to pick a course. 20. Can I buy a course as a guest? No. You will have to sign up. 21. After purchasing a course, will we get any updates on purchased courses? Yes. The purchased courses will get an update through a notification along with terms and conditions. 22. Are the courses classified for each level? Yes. You can choose the course based on topic, level, and language. 23. Do we have any money-back guarantee? Yes. We provide 30 days money-back guarantee. 24. Can I access the course on mobile? Yes. You can access the course on the website and mobile. 25. Do I get a certificate after completing the course? Less than yes. A certificate of completion will be provided. 26. What is the validity of the O-Cademy certificate? The certificate of completion will be valid for a lifetime. May change in the future with notification. 27. As a new user, will I get any offers? Yes. First course content is free. 28. Can I rejoin a course after starting? Yes. You can resume the course from where you left and complete it. 29. Is there any time duration to complete the course? No. There is no time duration. 30. Do we have an option to ask a question regarding the course, if any? Yes. You have an option to add a question on the course page. A bill must production.